Good evening, everybody. Jenny Soft Sound Whispers here, and this is my new microphone. Ta-da! As some of you are probably aware, I put a thing on Facebook the other day saying I needed a new camera because mine was getting a little bit old. And the response I got was that the picture's fine, but my microphone isn't, which I've known for a long time, and I've been meaning to upgrade, and I haven't. So I decided on a whim that very moment to just order a new microphone. So I did. And here it is. It's called the Yeti by Blue, and it's pretty cool. I've been having a little bit of a play with it for about 10 minutes. I'm not sure I understand the ins and outs of it yet. There are different settings. So we're on bidirectional at the moment. And which is the one we're going to stay on this evening. And tomorrow I will go on to the other ones. But there's quite a few things, but it's very sensitive to sound. Very sensitive to sound. So let me just read it to you anyway, because I want to have a little bit of a ramble about it, just so that you can listen and tell me if there's a massive difference in the quality, which I would assume there is. Congratulations on your purchase of the Yeti, the most advanced and versatile multi-pattern USB microphone roaming the wild today. The Yeti is jumbling my words up. The Yeti is the ultimate tool for creating amazing recordings, no matter what the source or environment. Best of all, this Yeti can capture anything. The Yeti features Blue's innovative triple capsule array, allowing for recording in studio or your choice of 3 unique patterns, including cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional, giving you recording capabilities usually requiring multiple microphones. Actually, I'm just checking which one I did leave it on, because yes, it is. It's bidirectional today. The Yeti utilises a high-quality analog to digital converter to send incredible audio fidelity directly to your computer, a built-in headphone amplifier for stereo latency monitoring, and simple controls for headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and a microphone gain located directly on the microphone, so you're always in control of your recording. The Yeti delivers exceptional performance with low distortion, high fidelity, and balanced frequency response. There are no drivers to install. Simply plug the Yeti into your PC or Mac, load up your favourite recording software, and record something amazing. Ta-da! I did it. I figured it out. And there's lots of kind of things that opens it up to, because the only problem is, mind you, is that I can no longer, I'm sure there's a way, but use my camera. I should have got one that plugged into my camera, because at the moment I'm just using the, excuse me, I was going to yawn, the one on my computer. Yeah, which is kind of different, because I'm used to having sort of a little thing to look at, little screen, and now I'm looking at myself, which is a little unnerving. So I can do lots of really, really cool things, like close-up whispering, and some of my all-time favourite things a couple of those soon, which would be quite fun because I used to really enjoy those ones. So I'm going to sneeze, and that's not very relaxing at all. And I can do so, all very exciting. And there are other things I can play with too. Where are we? It's here. So, the problem with this is, though, that's minimum. And then this is, well, I don't really know what this is doing now. So I think it's picking up things outside. So can we hear anything? Da, 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 da. See if I can hear this. It's very sensitive because that's quite far away. It's a full arm's length away. Tapping. There you go. You see? You wouldn't really normally be able to hear that, I don't think, in my living room. Unless you have the doors open. I quite like the high sensitivity of this one though. It's really good for whispers. Which is yet another thing that I'm going to be doing soon, is whispering a lot more. Yeah, see, that's rubbish. See, look, we can get rid of that. If I can. There we go. And it's gone. But whispering's not quite as fun in this one as it is in this one. Da, da, da. See, whispering is so much better when it's like this. So yeah, that's quite cool. Lots of different things. So I'm going to do another recording. I'll give it a little bit so I can whisper. I'm going to do another like test, but when it's on the other one, what's it called? Omnidirectional and cardioid. Don't even know how to say that. I'm not a technical person at all. At all. So anyway, I'm going to leave this video very short and sweet because I would like to get on with a whisper video and a ramble, and I shall see